And like I say, one machine, same exercise, change your angle, you work a different muscle. So now, it's like we're doing a row, right? Instead of my chest or my abs staying connected to this pad, I'm doing a little row. But you can see I still have full control of the back right here. I have full control of the pull right here. Strong forearms, strong hands. Connecting to the heel, to the glute, to the hip. Pushing from the inner thigh at the same time. Both sides, you pushing from the inner thigh. Because it's like a squat.